Okay, so we're going to do 208-6-47, the spacer, and we're not going to worry about holes in the center here at all. What we're going to worry about is the depth. Right there is 325, and so let's not even worry about dimensions. Let's just worry about drawing that shape. So we'll go back to Inventor. It's an English part, so we'll go create English, inches, IPT, and start a new sketch, and we're going to go right here. Not even worried about those dimensions. So I'm going to start by drawing an arc right here. I'm going to draw an arc right here. I'll draw an arc right here. Another arc, right? We're going to go ahead and draw a line that goes from there to there. Hit escape. Draw a line that goes from that point to that point. Hit escape. Draw a line from this point to this point. Hit escape. Same thing here. Alright, to get this right, I'm going to do tangent constraints from here to here. I'm going to do one from here to here, here to here, here to here. Tangent from here to here, we'll fix that in a second. Tangent from there to there, tangent here to here, tangent here to here. That should be a tangent. Alright, so now we're getting somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and extend this so it goes out and touches there, and I'll trim this part out. Oh, no, not extend, trim. So now we're getting... So basic shape's right, but not exactly right yet. So let's go ahead and do a horizontal constraint from here to the center point there. Horizontal from there to there. Do a vertical one from that one to this one. Do the vertical from this one to this one. Say that we want equals constraint. Say that one and this one to always be equal. Say we want this one and this one to always be equal. Alright, the other thing we want to do is, let's say we do a concentric between those two right there. Alright, so they got the same center point, and what if we put this center point coincident constraint with that right there? Alright, so we got our basic shape down. Let's add a dimension here that goes from there out to here. Right, and that should end up being 6.5. Alright, then this radius right here was 3.25 divided by 2. So that's that one. This one right here was 0.75. So we're getting closer to what we want it to look like, and let's say we want this to be this one and this one to be equal, which they should be already, and we'll say that this one and this one should be equal. Fully constrained. Beautiful. So we'll finish that sketch, and if I remember correctly, let's just double check. It says here that the thickness of that is 1 inch. So that's going to be 1 inch thick. So we're just going to extrude that out. 1 inch. Alright? 1 inch, perfect. Okay, now we use the hole command, and we're going to put a hole right here in the center of this, and it's going to be one concentric reference. So we'll put it right in the center. We'll put a reference. Put that reference right there on that. I forgot what that diameter is of that hole going through. It's 2.38. So 2.38. So that's that one. Going to do the same thing here. We'll do a hole right here. Concentric reference. I'm sorry, I needed to do that first. Click that. Don't want this one was 0.75. Hole through there. My concentric reference is this one. So I can click apply. I'm going to go ahead and click this other side over here and click that as my concentric reference and apply. So we're good. Click save. 208-6-47 spacer. And I'll overwrite the one I already did. Click new. ANSI inch IDW. Base. And I'm going to go ahead and make it twice the size. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I'll double click this one. I'm going to make this one back to full size, so it's a little bit smaller up there. First thing we'll do, go to annotate, put on our center points. Center points done. Center line bisectors between that one and this one, between this one and this one, this one and this one. Same over here. These are all going to be right through the center, so it doesn't matter. That's it right there. They're all the same. Okay, ready to dimension. We'll put some dimensions on. Let's start with that overall. We'll do that overall length up on this one and get that out of the way there. And we'll put a diameter on that. Put diameter on this one, and oh, I meant to put on here that this is, oops, let's see, we'll go back here, we'll go through, oops, all caps, through there. This one was 2 places, so that covers that one. This one is just through. Alright, so got those diameters, our thickness over here. Alright, so we've got an overall length. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 dimensions on it. So if we go back here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, we got 5. And we can do that and say that's in 2 places. Alright, so we got that center. Oh, we need this one right here, 6. Alright, so that's it. So let me go ahead and do export this, export PDF file, and that's what you would submit in Blackboard right there.